Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is now in session. First case is cause number 332-534. Case is style of state of Texas versus Kiana Kincaid. Ms. Kincaid is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Kincaid, you can take your mic off of mute.
Yes, sir.
Kincaid, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Kincaid, you're represented in your case by your attorney John Macy. Attorney Macy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. Thanks for asking.
State is represented in this case by Attorney Lamar Johnson. Attorney Johnson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Macy, what is your announcement in Ms. Kincaid's case?
Your Honor, I would ask for a standard reset in this case. I don't have all of the discovery. I don't have the video, or there's some video of or pictures or something I don't have, and I believe they have them ready, but I'm not sure. But at any rate, I don't have it, and so I'd ask the court to give me a standard reset on this case.
State, do you have any objections?
Okay.
Okay, give us a reset date.
February 24th.
Ms. Kincaid, your case will be reset until February 24th of 2023. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. They will be given notice of your reset. You're free to go. And you have a blessed day and happy holidays.
Thank you so much, sir. You have a blessed day. Happy holidays.
All right, thank you. And
Thank you.
Ms. This is your last case, Ms. Mason?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Mr. Mason, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day and happy
Thank you,
holidays.
Judge.
Mr. Bailey, could you please get Joby Denson? Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Next case is cause number 330-682. Case is style of state of Texas versus Joby Jerome Denson. Mr. Denson, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Mr. Denson?
You're doing good, are you?
I'm doing fine. Thank you for asking. Mr. Denson, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney John West. Attorney West, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor.
Mr. West, what is your announcement in Mr. Denson's case?
We'd like to move this to the trial docket, Your Honor.
Okay, give us a reset date.
March 6th.
Okay, Mr. Denson, this case will be reset for trial on March 6th of 2023. Your attorney, your bonds will be given a copy of the reset notice. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and stay in contact with your attorney and your bonds. All right, and you have a blessed day and happy holidays.
All right, thank you.
And Mr. West, this is your last case. You have a blessed day and happy holidays to you as well. Get Derek Thomas and Kobe Mack. Both of them on the announcement act at pro se. Mr. Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson, you need to step out of the court with the drink. Okay, you Derek Thomas? Okay, this is cause number 327-904. Case of solid state of Texas versus Derek D. Thomas. Mr. Thomas, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Thomas, how are you doing? That's a good thing. Now, Mr. Thomas, you are or your case, well, first of all, you are pro se in this case. I see the last time that your case, that you was here, your case was reset to give you an opportunity to hire an attorney. Have you hired your attorney?
No, we had just got laid off from my job, so I'm in the process trying to find another job during the holiday.
Okay, now, Mr. Thomas, I think the last time you were here, we informed you that regarding an attorney, you have three options. Number one, you can hire an attorney. Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Or number three, you may represent yourself.
Yes, sir.
The court also informed me that if you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. You also were informed that if you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you would need to fill out a questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. And if you desire to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself, you cannot speak to the prosecutor, which is the assistant district attorney, unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. And we also inform you that you should be aware that there are dangers and disadvantages to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status, and employment. You also were informed that if you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind and at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand that? Okay, now what do you want to do? Okay, well, Mr. Thomas, let me see, let's see, Mr. Thomas. This case is a 2020 case, okay? And this is 2022, we're going into 2023. The court is not going to give you forever to say you want to hire an attorney, okay? So as I stated, you don't have a job, you're looking for a job, right? You don't know when you're gonna find a job.
Yes, sir. They told me I could file for my employment, but I was really just trying to find another job.
Okay, well, I mean, so you still have no source of income.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how you talking about hiring an attorney without a source of income?
True.
So the court has given you an option. Those options, and so when did we first we look in his file and see when he first signed it, when he first came to court, he signed the motion, and when we gave him the judge's explanation of rights to defend us without an attorney. Cause number is 327904.
That was June 29, 2021.
June 29, 2021. You've been talking about hiring an attorney. No, okay, well, the court is going to, I mean, you can represent yourself. The court is not going to continue to give you, the court has given you over a year.
Can I fill out for court appointed attorney?
Yeah, you can apply for a court appointed attorney. Once you give him the paperwork, and let's see whether or not he qualified. Okay. Now you decide that you want to hire an attorney after that. You have income, you can do that. Yeah. Okay, just have a seat in the gallery. He'll bring the paperwork to you
Okay, right here.
in the gallery and behind the wall. Next case is cause number 330-286, case is filed in the state of Texas versus Kobe C. Mack. Pull up this case as well. Let's see, we have a judge's explanation on this one. Okay, this is cause number 330-286. Case is filed in the state of Texas versus Kobe C. Mack. Mr. Mack, is that your full name? Is it Kobe Shashawn Mack? Okay, how you doing, Mr. Mack?
I'm good, how about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Mack, your case was reset. I'll give you an opportunity to hire an attorney. Have you,
October 2022.
okay, you was just that was your first time you was given was October 11th of 2022. Have you hired your attorney?
No, sir, been laid off.
Okay, now you have an option that you can, we told you last time you may hire an attorney if you can afford one, or if you cannot afford one, you may request that an attorney be appointed to represent you, or you can represent yourself by waiving your right to an attorney. Now, if you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. If you want an attorney to represent you and do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. That is, if you desire to represent yourself. Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Now, you may change your mind at any time if you wanted to proceed without an attorney. Okay. Now, what do you want to do? Okay. He's going to give you some paperwork to fill out. Just have a seat in the gallery back there. You can just go have a seat. He'll bring it to you.
That might be some other phone.
Okay, we'll have somebody to help you to fill it out.
Thank you.
Okay, is Brill around? Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Is Scott here? Is Scott, hold on, man, I got two people on Zoom. Let me see who this is.
Your Honor, Scott Serring is in the federal penitentiary.
Oh. Okay, in TDC active warrant status, yeah. So that, Mr. Johnson, Mr. Bruce Smith has stated that Scott Serring is in the, I see that he's in TDC as of, yeah, I have a note here saying that he is in the, he's in.
Yes, sir.
You gonna look into that?
I will look into that and more the state will be moving to dismiss it.
Okay, Mr. Smith, the prosecutor say he's gonna look into that and see more than likely to, I guess once they verify the state will be moving to dismiss this case.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's great.
Okay, Mr. Smith, you're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You have a blessed day and happy holidays.
Yeah, happy holidays to you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. We need to get Mr. John's case. Get Charles Evans. and Krishanda Dixon. Is that Ms. Dixon? Is that Krishanda Dixon? Could you please come forward? Yes. This is cause number 329-672. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Krishanda Dixon. Ms. Dixon, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Ms. Dixon?
I'm well, thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Dixon, you're here represented by your attorney, Ted Jones Jr. Attorney Jones, how are you doing?
Not too well today, sir.
Oh, okay, we're hoping that you'll be feeling better. Mr. Jones,
Yes, sir.
Ms. Dixon has a motion to revoke probation.
Sir,
And let me do this here now. We have Mr. Gary Gilliam, who's from the probation department. And we have our prosecutor, Mr. Lamar Johnson. Have y'all what's the recommendation in this case?
So
Have
we
y'all
recommend that the case be reset. She has a new theft charge that we'd like to know the outcome of that before we proceed.
Okay,
and we were here last time before, and I asked you, I said she possibly has a felony case coming down the pipe.
Okay.
You reset it, and I think what you said was to try to do them all on the same day.
okay.
And I think, well, I haven't had a chance to check on it, because like I said, I'm not feeling too well with it.
The
But-
bill is set March 22nd.
That's just what I was about to.
Okay, so we're gonna, now, what day of the week is that? Because we had these MTRPs on a Friday. So I'm thinking, a lot of times we just,
That's a Wednesday.
now you want it set on that same day
Well,
or the felony or not?
On Wednesday.
Or you're on a different day?
That Friday.
probably that Friday,
Okay,
or that Friday, a couple cases come up in between.
okay, give us a,
March 24th.
okay, this case will be reset to March 24th of 2023. Ms. Dixon, your attorney is gonna sign for you reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day and happy holidays.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All right, would you please sign for her reset?
Hold on one second. Yeah.
These two, the old ones.
Charles Evans, cause numbers 321-904 and cause number 332-358. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Charles Evans Jr. or Charles E. Evans Jr. Mr. Evans? Mr. Evans, your full name is Charles E. Evans Jr.?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Evans? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Evans, you're here represented by your attorney Ted Jones. Attorney Jones, what's your announcement in Mr. Evans' cases?
When I got off from the DA, I still haven't been able to crack the code to see the film. The possibility that there may be a pending felony case out there. What I would like to ask the court to do.
You can check. Glenda? It's in this county? Okay,
Yes, sir. What,
okay, she don't see anything.
shouldn't say anything?
No.
What I will ask the court to do is reset it for 30 days or more. And I get what the did again, because it's two separate incidents. This is not two separate cases. So if we have to try it, we have to get 2 trial days.
Okay,
And I'm not feeling the best, brightest today. So in fact, I'm trying to stay away from everybody.
okay.
Um,
So you just need, you need to get your case reset.
Yeah, I would think that would be
Okay.
best, so I could talk to Mr. Johnson a little bit more in depth
Is-
about it.
Okay, this case is gonna be reset to February 24th of 2023. State, do you have any objections?
No objection.
Okay, now this case is gonna be reset to February 24th, 2023. Mr. Evans, get your recess from your attorney. Once you get your recess from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day and happy holidays.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, and we hope that you'll be feeling a lot better, Mr. Johns.
I'm going home and lie down.
Okay.
I've rarely done that in 30 years.
Oh, okay. You have a blessed day and happy holidays to you. Let's see, LeBlanc. Did Mr. LeBlanc's file short? Shannon Merchant? And she also have, Amanda Olivier, or Oliver, excuse me, or no, it's Olivier.
Judge, if we can hold that.
You want to hold?
Might be able to hold that.
Okay,
The other one, I don't think.
okay,
Thank you.
okay, we'll hold on Olivier. Okay, Olivier, we're gonna hold on Olivier. Next case is cause number 332846. Case is filed the state of Texas versus Bruce Marco Pucci. He is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Pucci, how are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing good.
That's good. Now, Mr. Pucci, you're represented in your case and your attorney. Attorney James Padgett, who is also appearing via Zoom. Mr. Padgett, how are you doing?
Good morning, Your Honor. Doing well.
That's good. Now, Mr. Padgett, what is your announcement in Mr. Cootie's case?
Your Honor, discovery was ordered 30 days ago. I've received everything but the video evidence on the case. I'm certain we can work this case out. I'll just need time to get the video and review it with my client.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, this case will be reset to February 24th, 2023. Mr. Cootie, your attorney will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney. Your case has been reset to February 24th of 2023. You're free to go. You have a blessed day and happy holidays to you.
Right, same to you.
Thank you. And Mr. Padgett, I think this is your only case. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
Yes, Your
Mr.
Honor.
Mr. Padgett, your reset will be sent to you. You're free to go. And you have a blessed day and happy holidays.
You have a blessed day as well, Your Honor. Have a good one. Bye.
You're welcome. Is Elex King here?
He's appearing by Zoom.
Is that? No, that's somebody else.
Oh,
That's Zacrease
Oh.
Johnson.
that was him. Okay.
Okay.
He is supposed to be appearing by Zoom. I can try to reach him. He
Okay.
was out of town for work and
I think it was supposed to be it says reset 1 week to pay JP reduction.
yes, sir. He was going to ask if he could have one more week to get the remainder of the funds together.
Okay, okay, we'll wait for him to appear.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Now, Mr. He does? Which one? Oh, that's Cleveland Chambers. I see judgment on. What's that mean? Judgment on 12/16/2022.
I'm not sure.
We had done a contested hearing in the last appearance.
I don't know what the judgment is for. You said you were gonna hold it under advisement.
Yeah, I was
and
just-
we'd reset the hearing.
Hold on a minute. No, I'm saying maybe somebody, I'm just looking at a note that they wrote here.
Okay.
And I was wondering what that note meant. Okay, well, just have a seat and then we'll call it back up.
Okay.
Okay. Did, you know what? Okay, I was just, thank you.